Windows play a crucial role in protecting your Hauppauge home from the elements, enhancing comfort, and improving curb appeal. With Long Island's blend of hot summers, chilly winters, high humidity, and coastal winds, choosing the right window materials is essential for long-lasting performance. The right material will withstand seasonal changes, offer reliable insulation, and require minimal upkeep, saving you time and money over the years. If you're considering new or replacement windows for your Hauppauge residence, here's a guide to the best window materials designed to deliver durability, efficiency, and lasting beauty. Vinyl windows. Affordable, low-maintenance, and highly durable vinyl has become a top choice for Hauppauge homeowners due to its exceptional value and performance. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl windows are naturally resistant to moisture, making them a strong match for Long Island's humid summers and unpredictable coastal storms. Benefits of vinyl windows include excellent energy efficiency thanks to insulated frames, minimal maintenance, with no need for painting or staining, resistance to warping, cracking, and rotting, budget-friendly pricing without sacrificing performance. Vinyl is ideal for homeowners who want long-term durability with virtually no upkeep. Fiberglass windows. Built for strength and seasonal stability, fiberglass is one of the strongest and longest-lasting window materials available today. Its stability makes it perfect for Hauppauge's fluctuating temperatures. Unlike wood or metal, fiberglass expands and contracts very minimally. Why homeowners love fiberglass? Superior durability, even in extreme weather. Outstanding energy efficiency, especially when foam-filled, moisture-resistant construction that prevents swelling or rot. A sleek, modern appearance that suits contemporary homes. Fiberglass windows cost more upfront but provide exceptional performance and longevity, making them a smart long-term investment. Wood-clad windows. Warm aesthetics with exterior protection. Many Hauppauge homes, especially traditional or colonial-style properties, benefit from the classic look of wood windows. However, solid wood alone can be vulnerable to humidity and moisture. That's where wood-clad windows shine, offering the timeless interior beauty of real wood paired with a durable, protective exterior. Advantages of wood-clad windows. Elegant wood interior that can be stained or painted. Weather-resistant exterior cladding, usually aluminum, fiberglass, or vinyl. Excellent insulation properties. Enhanced durability compared to all wood designs. If you want the charm of wood without the maintenance hassles, wood-clad windows are an excellent option. Composite windows. A blend of durability and efficiency. Composite windows are crafted from a combination of wood fibers and polymers, resulting in a material that rivals both wood and vinyl in performance. These windows hold up extremely well in Hauppauge's seasonal environment. Composite windows offer exceptional strength and stability, high resistance to moisture, rot, and temperature changes, a smooth finish, and customizable design options. Great energy efficiency, perfect for homeowners looking for strength, style, and low maintenance. Composite materials offer the best of both worlds. Aluminum windows. Modern style with improved thermal performance. Aluminum windows have long been praised for their slim frames and clean, contemporary look. And while older aluminum frames lacked insulation, today's versions feature thermal breaks that significantly improve energy performance. Aluminum windows are ideal if you want a sleek, modern aesthetic. Strong, lightweight frames, high durability with minimal upkeep, weather resistance in humid or coastal environments. They're an especially good fit for homeowners prioritizing modern design and structural strength. Choosing the right material for your Hauppauge home. The best material for your home depends on several factors: local climate conditions, your home's architectural style, desired maintenance level, energy efficiency goals, budget. Vinyl and composite are great for low maintenance. Wood-clad is perfect for classic elegance. Fiberglass offers unmatched durability, and aluminum delivers modern appeal. Final thoughts: selecting the right window materials is key to ensuring long-lasting performance, comfort, and energy efficiency in your Hauppauge home. With the proper material choice and professional installation, you can enjoy beautiful, durable windows that stand up to Long Island's climate while enhancing your home's value for years to come.